It was just a normal day. I was watching the weather, and then the sirens was on, and I didn't know what to do, so I just hid.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for El Reno, Yukon.
I grew up in that house since I was born. I lost my mother and father. I was trying to live there again and fix it up, and then this happened. I had to start all over. People don't realize what they got until they lose it. I didn't know what to do until Salvation Army helped me. I didn't really know much about them. Until you're a victim, you really don't know. They bought me a new home, paid my bills. I don't have to pay nothing on the house. All I had to do is just be here. And it's been a year, and I still go there just to say thank you. It still amazes me how caring they are, and they don't just put you in a place and go away. And I've cried and cried, and I had sad tears, and then I had happy tears, and they were right there. Yeah. I'm sorry, but they're wonderful. My life ended right then, and they took it back. I have hope because of them.